Why 34? You said you had 50 years of Chelsea home kit collection from 1973 to 2023. Okay, today I want to respond from one comment in my YouTube channel. Firstly, I want to remind you, please don't look down at me, because today I want to speak English in this content. Okay, this is my 50 years of Chelsea home kit collection from 1973 to 2023. Okay, why only had 34 shirts instead of 50 that I claim in that content? Okay, today I want to explain. Okay, example from the season, for this kit, this Adidas kit, Chelsea using for 2 seasons. In the season 2006, 2007 and 2007, 2008. Okay, another one, example for this kit. Okay, this Chelsea home kit is from season 2003, 2004 and 2004, 2005. That Chelsea using 2 seasons wearing this home kit. Okay, the next one. For this one is Chelsea home shirt for season 2001, 2002 and 2002, 2003. Okay, another one. This one is Chelsea home kit for season 1999, 2000 and 2000, 2001. Also 2 seasons. Okay, the next Chelsea kits, also Amro kits from season 1997, 1998 and 1998, 1999. Also 2 seasons. Okay, the next kit still in Amro. Okay, this one is Chelsea home shirt for season 1995, 1996 and 1996, 1997. Also 2 seasons. Okay, the next one. Okay, this one. Okay, this Chelsea home kit from season 1991, 1992 and 1992, 1993. Also using this kit for 2 seasons. Also Amro. Okay, the next one still Amro. Okay, this Amro kit also wearing 2 seasons from 1989, 89, 90, 89, 90 and 1990, 1991. Also 2 seasons. Okay, the next one still in Amro kit. Okay, this Chelsea home kit also using in 2 seasons from 1987, 88 and 1988, 89. 2 seasons. Okay, we go to the next kit. Okay, this one, this is Leacock Sportive shirt, Chelsea home shirt. This one is using in 1983, 84 and 1984, 85. Also 2 seasons. Okay, and the next one still Leacock Sportive home kit from season 1981, 82 and 1982, 83. Also 2 seasons. Okay, the next one is Amro kit. Okay, this one Chelsea wearing this home kit for 3 seasons from 1977, 78, 1778, 79 and 79, 81. Okay, 3 seasons using this Amro kit. Okay, the next one. Okay, this Chelsea home kit also using a few seasons, 1975, 76 and 1976, 77. Also 2 seasons. Okay, the last one, this one also using in 3 seasons, Chelsea 1973, 74, season 74, 75 and 75, 76. Okay, so that's why I had only 34 home kit start from season 1973 until 2023. It's 50 years, but only 34 shirts because of few seasons Chelsea wearing 2 or 3 same home kit. Okay, I hope this explanation is clear. And okay, actually the Chelsea is not the only club wearing the same kit for few seasons. So many clubs in the Europe, especially in English Premier League like Manchester United, Liverpool, Arsenal, they are also wearing the same kit for 1, 2 or 3 seasons. That's normal in the 90s and early 2000. Okay, not like nowadays. Every season the club will change the home kit for the club because of the value of the sponsor. Okay, I hope it's clear, and thank you for watching my English content. I think this is the second time I make the English content. I hope you understand what I'm saying. I just try to speak English to my followers, not only in Malaysia. I hope my followers around the world also can understand what I'm saying. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you want to know which other shirts you want me to review, you can drop your comment, and if I have time, I will review the shirt that you request. Okay, thanks. And if this content is very useful, you can share it and you can follow my account. Okay, I have more than 2,000 shirts for sale also. You can click my link in my bio and you can purchase from me. It's 100% original classic football shirts. Okay, that's all from me, Jeff Karim. See you again in the next content. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and bye.